Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to our video on teeth care methods. Taking care of our teeth is extremely important for maintaining good oral health. A healthy mouth not only looks and feels good, but it also helps us to chew food properly, speak clearly, and prevent various dental problems. In this video, we will be discussing some effective teeth care methods that you can implement to keep your teeth healthy and strong. Firstly, brushing your teeth regularly is one of the most important things you can do for good oral health. Dentists recommend brushing your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste, and brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes. Be sure to clean all surfaces of your teeth, including the front, back, and top. Flossing is another important habit to include in your dental care routine. Flossing helps to remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth, which can prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Use about 18 inches of dental floss and gently slide it between your teeth. Curve the floss around each tooth in a C shape and move it up and down. Using mouthwash is also a good way to maintain good oral hygiene. Mouthwash can help to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Look for an alcohol-free mouthwash that contains fluoride, and use it after brushing and flossing. Eating a healthy diet is also crucial for healthy teeth. Avoid sugary and acidic foods and drinks, as they can cause tooth decay and enamel erosion. Instead, choose foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals, such as fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Finally, regular visits to the dentist are essential for maintaining good oral health. Dentists can detect and treat dental problems early, before they become more serious. They can also clean your teeth and provide tips on how to improve your dental care routine. In conclusion, taking care of your teeth is important for maintaining good oral health. Brush and floss regularly, use mouthwash, eat a healthy diet, and visit your dentist regularly. By following these simple teeth care methods, you can keep your teeth healthy and strong for years to come. Thank you for watching this video on teeth care methods. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.